Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you have fabric scraps lying around that you just can't throw away because you know you'll use them someday? Well, today is that day. Instead of waiting for the perfect idea to strike, I love sewing scraps together to create something fun. Today, let's make a heart-shaped cushion using even the tiniest pieces from your scrap box. First, we'll make a heart pattern using 5 A4 or large letter-sized sheets of paper. Tape them together to create one large sheet. Fold the paper in half. Draw half of a heart shape. It's like a half circle with a curved line. Cut out the heart pattern. Find a piece of batting. Trace the heart shape onto the batting. Roughly cut out the batting. Now let's use some non-woven fabric as a base. You can find this material in product packaging, disposable masks, or you can use interfacing instead. Cut your non-woven fabric into 2.5-inch wide strips. Prepare enough strips to fully cover the heart-shaped batting, overlapping each strip slightly for sewing. Place the first fabric scrap over one corner of the strips. If you're using interfacing, make sure the adhesive side is facing the fabric. For the second fabric scrap, align the edges and sew with the right sides facing each other. I like to sew similar colors together for a cohesive look. Once all the strips are sewn, you'll see a colorful patchwork. I couldn't resist arranging them in a rainbow order, but any arrangement looks great. I ironed the fabric strips to make cutting easier. You can iron them before sewing, but I tend to sew whatever is around me without much planning, so I skipped that step earlier. Follow the non-woven fabric's edge and trim off the extra fabric to create a neat strip. Aren't they lovely? Once everything is neatly trimmed, you can arrange the strips one final time. Place the first strip over one corner of the heart-shaped batting. For the second strip, align it with the first piece. Sew along the right edge of the strip, then flip it over. Sew a top stitch along the edge for a clean finish. Repeat these steps until the entire heart-shaped batting is covered with fabric scraps. Here's how it looks when fully covered. Now, take our heart pattern again and trace it onto the patchwork piece. Cut away the extra fabric and batting. Cut a matching heart-shaped fabric piece for the back of the cushion. Sew the front and back pieces together, leaving a small gap for turning it inside out. Clip the corners and curves for a smoother shape when flipped. Turn the cushion right side out. Stuff the cushion with filling. Carefully close the opening using a ladder stitch. And that's it! Our adorable heart cushion is finished. Who knew fabric scraps could turn into something this beautiful? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this cushion and feel inspired to create more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing projects.